This is the APPLLP 6 Pro full Android smartwatch. You've got a pull-down panel with all your controls, just like on a regular cell phone. You got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular connectivity on here as well. You can actually see the Wi-Fi working. You got power controls and airplane mode, and a variety of other things. GPS is in this one. You can reduce or expand the screen, change your volume levels, you name it, it'll do it. Your power level timer up here, date and other information. When you swipe off to the left, you've got a music player.
بعد 300 متر استدر إلى اليسار. 300 metreden sonra sola dön.
Nice, loud speaker. And, of course, you can control all of your music from right there as well. Step count, calories burned, distance traveled for the day, and heart rate. Round out the things that you can get to by sliding around. Going up, nothing happens except bubbles if you have them turned on. When you tap this button, you'll turn it off and on. Long tap, you can shut down or reboot the watch. When you hit the back button now, you'll get into all of your apps. You got phones and settings, calculator, all kinds of different apps that typically show up on these things. You can do a face unlock with this one because you have two cameras on here. Google, very deep into this. You got Google Maps and Chrome. It's got PayPal already pre-installed. You've got a video player and flashlight, a basic sound recorder. We'll show all of those apps in the full review. Different styles and dials and all kinds of things. You've got Google itself. X is in here, WhatsApp, and a few other different social media things are installed. Yes, the Play Store, you can download any app you want to. If it runs on your phone, most likely it'll run on this watch. YouTube's pre-installed. Yay, you can watch us over on your watch with YouTube. TikTok even, and I've installed Organizer Drawer, which is a fun little way of installing the apps or sorting the apps alphabetically if you want to, depending on which way you'd like to look at all of your apps. Otherwise, you can look at them like this or change the layout into your liking. You have a variety of different watch faces, some of them stock, some of them downloadable from a server, and basically, it's a very nicely designed two-camera smartwatch that runs Android 8.1. It's the APPLLP 6 Pro. Check it out.